Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram incorrect password. So the answer is simple. You can go to the settings as you see and scroll to the apps, and after this go to the search and search on Instagram. Then go to the storage, and as you see here, this clear cache here, click on it. And if it does not work, you can try to restart the phone. If it does not work again, you can just clear data. You can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.